Good morning, children. Today is Monday, and today we will learn something from our general awareness skills sheets book. Before starting, I will give you a homework. Yes, children, do you remember our last topic was my neighborhood, right? In that we have talked about what are the shops, what are the commercial places are around us. So in that, in page on that topic, in the page number 28, you will see this picture. Take the correct shop picture. Yes, I will show you how to do. Can you see? There are three pictures, right? And above there, a color box is there, and something is written. Yes, in this three color box, it is green, blue, and orange. One question is there. In green color box, it is written, where do you go for dinner with your parents? कहाँ जाते हैं हम डिनर के लिए? घर के बाहर अगर मुझे डिनर करना है, रेस्टोरेंट. यस, हियर three pictures are given: bank, bookstore, and restaurant. So you have to put a tick in this circle. Understood? Similarly, in the blue box, it is written, from which shop do you buy vegetables? Three pictures of shops are given. You have to click the shop from where we do buy our vegetable. Okay? Now third, from which shop do you buy clothes? Three shops are there. You have to tick the shops from where you buy clothes. I will not tell you the answer. You have to do by yourself, because I know you are very much aware from where we buy vegetables, from where we buy clothes, where we go to have our dinner, isn't it? Okay. Now today we will talk about a new topic, that is our helpers. Yes, who are helpers? Children, we need help. We need help to do our work. If you see, we need helps because what kind of helps? Children, when we throw garbages, do we go to dump it into the dumping ground? No. Some people are coming with a dumper and they collect garbages, right? Do we go to clean our road? No. Some cleaners are there. How do you cut your hair? By yourself? No. We go to salon. If we fall sick, who help us? Doctor. Yes, these people are helping us. Can, if you have something, can you, for example, you want to mend your shoes, आपका शूज़ टूट गया, तो आप खुद उसको रिपेयर कर पाओगे ना? आप कर पाओगे ना? मम्मी पापा कोई नहीं कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज it is a job that is done by cobbler. So cobbler actually helping us to mend our shoes. So these are our helpers. What are they? These are our helpers. Now I will show you some pictures of our helpers, then we'll come again to this page number 29. Who is she? She is a nurse. Nurse is one of the helper. In this situation, you know, अभी जिस कारण हम सब घर के अंदर बैठे हैं, कोरोना में नर्स, डॉक्टर, देन एवरी हॉस्पिटल स्टाफ बहुत हेल्पफुल थे हमारे लिए. देन पुलिस मैन, then those people are coming for collecting garbage, those are cleaning roads, they are working, they didn't stop. उन्होंने कभी अपना काम बंद नहीं किया. क्या होता तो कितने स्मेल आते. आप सोचो आपके घर में कचरा जमा हो गया है, रोड पूरा गंदा है. नो, दे हैव वर्कड whole day and night. Then the policeman, fireman, they are always available to help people. So first picture of the community helper, we see nurse. Then who is he? Doctor. Yes. Now tell me, who is she? She is a teacher. Yes, Teacher helps you to learn so many things, isn't it? When I was small, my teachers used to teach me so many things. Now I'm teaching you, so teachers is also our helpers. And in this pandemic, in this situation, teachers are also working, right? Teachers every day, ma'am is sending you some videos through that. She is teaching you some new topics, so teacher is one of our helpers. Then come to who is he? He is a fireman. Fireman, yes, he is very helpful and his job is very tough, because every one of us is scared of fire, isn't it? But he has to fight with that. So fireman is a very brave person. Then is come postman. Yes, जब हमें कुछ चिट्ठी भेजनी होती है, आप बोलोगे मैम कुरियर. यस, कुरियर इज देयर, बट सम वे बिफोर कुरियर्स वी हैव टू सेंड एवरीथिंग थ्रू पोस्टमैन. पोस्टमैन मुझे मेरी मम्मी की चिट्ठी पहुंचाती थी, मेरी चिट्ठी मेरी मम्मी को पहुंचाती थी. सो पहले पोस्टमैन इज़ द ओनली वे टू कम्युनिकेट. येस, नाउ कुरियर्स आर देयर, बट पोस्टमैन्स जॉब इज नॉट ओवर. Still date they are delivering later. In this situation also they have come to a building, they have delivered later and they have help us actually. जबकि सारे कुरियर सर्विस बंद हो चुके थे, ट्रेन वगैरह सब बंद हो चुके थे, ओनली दिस पोस्टमैन हैज हेल्प अस. देन कम टू प्लम्बर. ये तो बहुत ज़रूरी है. कभी अगर नल टूट जाए, सो वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर, कहीं पे ड्रेन चोक्ड अप हो जाए, देन दिस प्लम्बर इज हेल्पिंग अस. बिकॉज कभी होता है घर का नल खराब हो गया, एंड दैट टाइम इफ़ यू कैंट पुट ऑफ द इफ़ यू कैन टर्न ऑफ द मेन वाटर सप्लाई, बहुत वाटर वेस्टेज होता है, बट प्लम्बर इज़ देयर टू हेल्प अस. सो तुरंत कुछ उसके पता है, वो मेन जो वाटर सप्लाई होता है उसको टर्न ऑफ कर देते हैं. सो देयर इज़ नो वेस्टेज ऑफ वाटर. सो प्लम्बर इज़ वन ऑफ द हेल्पर. देन इज़ बर्बर, जो हमारे हेयर कट करते हैं एंड गिव अस अ वेरी गुड लुक. एंड ही इज़ अ कॉबलर. कॉबलर इज़ मेंडिंग शूज़. देखो शूज़ बना रहे हैं, सो ही इज़ अ कॉबलर. एंड ही इज़ अ टेलर, जिससे हम कपड़ा बनाते हैं. यू विल से मैम आई बॉट अ टी शर्ट फ्रॉम शॉप्स. येस, यू हैव बॉट इट रेडीमेड, बट सम टेलर हैज स्टिच इट, राइट? अदरवाइज इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो we will repeat. I forget the carpenter who makes wooden furniture. हमारे घर पे जितने चेयर टेबल जो लकड़े के बना हुआ है, वुड से बना है, वुड. सो कारपेंटर. नाउ we will repeat the community helper. Carpenter, repeat after me. Carpenter who makes wooden furniture. Tailor who stitches our clothes. Cobbler who mends our shoes. Barber who cuts our hair. Plumber who fixes tap and all water pipes, etc. Postman who delivers us mail, letters. Fireman who fights against fire to save us. Teacher who help us to learn new things. Doctor who treats us to keep us healthy. Nurse who take care of us when we are not well, right? Now come to your book pages. It is written, many people around us do different jobs and help us in many ways. These people are called our helpers. Now what you have to do, children, I am telling you with the instruction. You have to paste some sticker in the helper box. Can you see there is a box here and it is written baker. Yes, baker is one of community helper. He bakes cakes and cookies. Now from where you will get this sticker? Back side of your book. Yes, book के पीछे ये सारे stickers है. पहले भी तो हम लोगों ने लिया था, याद है ये सारे stickers कि ये जो क्या बोलते हैं इसको, पहले हम लोगों ने कहाँ पे लगाया था, हाँ वेजिटेबल्स एंड वो जो माय नेबरहुड, आवर नेबरहुड में हम लोगों ने लगाया था, इजंट इट। ही बेक्स केक्स एंड कुकीज, वो बेकर का जो स्टिकर है द लास्ट पेज ऑफ योर बुक है। ओके, नाउ come to next, what is written, machine, what is written, machine, he repairs cars, तो कौन रिपेयर करता है, कार मैकेनिक, yes, so you have to put the sticker। farmer, farmer मतलब जो fruits and vegetables grow करते हैं, he grows fruits and vegetables, you have to put the sticker here। and carpenter, I have told you who makes wooden furniture। cobbler, he mends our shoes। now 1 2 3 4 5 stickers we will get in the backside pages, because we have already used the few stickers in for decorative my room, then my neighborhood, on that page you will get this sticker। last page में ये सारे stickers है, baker, cobbler, car mechanic, then carpenter and farmer। okay, you have to take the sticker and stick it here by yourself। okay, now how we will do, mama will read out these sentences, mama will say he bakes cakes and cookies, you will see the stickers and you will take out one of them which is the sticker of baker, because आपको पता है बेकर कैसे दिखते, राइट, एप्रन पहने होंगे, स्ट्रिप कैप होंगे उनके सर पे, इजंट इट। मैकेनिक के हाथ में उसके जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है वो रहेंगे, तो आप अपने पिक्चर्स देख के पहचानोगे एंड यू विल टेक द स्टिकर एंड यू विल स्टिक इट हियर। ओके चिल्ड्रेन, टिल देन गुड बाय, टेक